Hey, so if you want to create clear and professional training slides using Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step, so your training content is easy to follow and effective. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, create a new presentation or open an existing one where you want to build your training slides. Start by choosing a simple and consistent theme. Training slides should be clean and distraction-free. Use readable fonts, balanced colors, and consistent layouts so learners can focus on the content instead of the design. Begin with an introduction slide. Clearly explain what the training is about and what learners will gain. This sets expectations and helps participants understand the purpose of the session. Next, break your training into sections. Create one slide per topic or step. Use clear headings and short bullet points instead of long paragraphs. This keeps information easy to absorb and prevents overload. Add visuals like icons, diagrams, screenshots, or charts to support your explanations. Visuals make training more engaging and help learners understand complex ideas faster. Use speaker notes to include detailed explanations, instructions, or examples that you'll talk through during the training. This keeps slides simple while giving you guidance when presenting. If your training includes steps or processes, use numbered points or flow-style slides to guide learners logically from start to finish. Consistent structure improves understanding and retention. Before finishing, review your slides carefully. Check alignment, spelling, and clarity. Make sure each slide delivers one clear message and flows smoothly into the next. You can share the slides with trainees using the Share button or download them as a PDF for easy distribution. Always test presentation mode to ensure everything looks right. And that's it. By structuring content clearly, using visuals, keeping slides simple, and reviewing carefully, you can create effective training slides in Google Slides. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.